Karonga students. We are going to make lemonade today. So you need some lemons. We picked those one off the tree outside the staff room. We need to cut them. We need some sugar. We're going to take 1 cup of sugar. We have some water, 1.5 cups of water. And you need something to squeeze out the juice of the lemons. At Karonga we have this machine here, but at home you may have something to do it by hand. And you need a jug for your lemonade. We need to start squeezing our lemons. I've got a beautiful student who will help me do that. Push it down. Look, there's some juice coming out. I'll take another one. Press down again. Oops. Okay, we'll take another half. Before we start doing that, we have washed our hands. Okay, let's see how much lemon juice we've got. Pour the lemon juice in our jug. That was 2 lemons. Maybe we will need a bit more. Pour our water in. Excellent. That was 1.5 cups of water. And that's 1/2 cup of sugar. Pour that in. And we need to stir. Stir with a spoon. Big spoon. Reaching the bottom. Okay, give it a good stir. Mix it all together. And have a go. Mix, mix, mix. One hand holds the jug and one hand holds the spoon. Okay. What do you think? I think that actually looks good. 2 lemons, 1/2 cup of sugar and 1.5 cups of water. And then we need a glass. Put a glass or a cup quickly. This is our lemonade. And we can pour it in a cup. And now you can try your lemonade.